Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an enveloping and to show you what is in this here envelope with their do not bend and what is it. And it's from Autograph World LLC from Dover NH. www.autographworld.com. Now what did I get in this envelope? Enough chit chat, let's open it and see what I got. Like now folks, let's go. Here it is, folks. Here it is. It's Art the Clown. Oh my God. Signed by the man himself, David Howard Thornton. DTH. David Howard Thornton. Oh my God. Art the Clown. Terrifier. Terrifier 2. Oh yeah. So yeah, man. I can't believe it. I got a David Howard Thornton. Art the Clown. Terrifier 2. This is definitely the weapon, by the way, that you see in the sequel. Not in the first movie, but the sequel. I can't believe it. I have it in my possession. Art the Clown. Very menacing, isn't he? I'm planning to meet Art the Clown. Maybe if he comes to Sinister Night in Brickell, or maybe at a different signing. I didn't get a chance to meet him at Spooky on the count of I was a little bit running on funds, and as well as it was a bit long line-ish. So maybe one of these days I'll meet him, including the director, or maybe there could be a Q&A with the rest of the cast. I want to meet them all. I got their autographs, but I want to take pictures with them and maybe sign their copy of Terrifier 2. But holy shit. Holy sea cows, it's Art the Clown. What more can you ask for? Oh yeah, let me show you something else. Yep, David Howard Thornton. It's 100% confirmed he signed it. Let's give a shout out to autographworld.com LLC for providing this. Thank God this is 100% coolness. And yeah, thank God I got it for a good deal. And among other things, let's give a shout outs to the collectors out there, including Nightmare Christie. Shout outs to you. And also Wet Movie 1, Brandon Mitchell, Cool Duder, Sean C. Phelps, Kursky Films, Alzilla09, and Mega Hellraiser, L. Shout outs to the collectors of physical medias, the toy collectors, the autograph collectors, all you collectors out there. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Gotta go, y'all, and enjoy the weekend.